God is good.
God is good.
Oh man, I can't even put it into words.
God is great. God is great.
It was like unreal. Like, these are our keys. This is ours. We worked so hard.
Let us thank him for this food.
It's like I'm a doll and I'm in a home that I love to be in.
We are in our beautiful, beautiful home. It's not something I've gotten used to. It's totally different feeling than we're going to the apartment.
It was a deluxe 2-bedroom apartment.
Constantly, the kids being sick all the time because of all the mold and the leaks.
There's 7 of us.
There was always something.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
You think when you have a child, you expect the child to have 10 fingers, 10 toes, and things like that. You know, so, but when you hear of a heart complication, that's something serious.
You're too big.
I know, that's why I can't get on there. We came to the agreement that I would stay home and take care of the baby for as long as, you know, we needed to, and take him to his appointments. For the first few months, it was overwhelming.
We knew we had to move. So we started looking at apartments and what's a bigger space we can rent. The rent is out of control. So then we started applying for a mortgage. Doing a traditional mortgage for Americans like us did not work. Even though we don't have anything on our credit, we don't have anything on our credit.
I didn't think any of this would be possible.
By God, we ended up with Habitat.
We just pulled through. We did what we had to do. We followed instructions. We did what they asked.
We went to the homeowners orientation. We were like, this is really, I cried. And I mean, I cried. I was like, I cannot believe we're here. We're gonna have our house built. Holy smokes, this is so for real. So I know people think, oh, they were given a house. That's the furthest thing from the truth.
It takes a lot. You know, it takes a team. It takes a team to get things done.
When we did paint day, oh my God, I understood why they were in paint all the time. You wore the paint very well though. So did you, especially in your hair. Thank you.
I know people see a house, right? I see this love that was built. I remember the volunteers. I remember, oh, I fell over here, or this nail fell over there, or this is written in behind that wall, or that stud says
Someone
this.
got
It's
hit in the face with a rake.
Exactly. Elijah has the most sweat equity because he's the oldest. And for him and his dad, this was like their manly project for our family.
The main reason for getting this lawnmower today and all this stuff, not only, you know, to show you, to give you a sense of ownership and business aspect mentality or whatever, but this is our home. This is our forever home.
He would come early. I mean, site supervisors got there at 7. He was there at 7. Site supervisors left at 3. He left at 3. Site supervisors sometimes stay until 4, and Danny, sure enough, was there until 4. And that's how I met him.
There were so many times that I thought, we can't do this. It was every weekend. This consumed us, along with grades, along with work, along with doctor's appointments, along with surgeries. There were times that I felt like we were never gonna get through our hours. There were times that you just feel like, oh my God, today's the day that I'm just gonna give up. And we still got it done. We managed to pull through together as a family.
Their family is a great unit. The teamwork that they all have, the dedication that they all clearly show, the heart and drive that they put in everything.
You ready?
Yeah.
And let's go get this lawnmower. Cut our grass for the first time. I'm sorry, you cut our grass for the first time.
You hear the stories of where they came from an overcrowded apartment.
I never imagined that I would have my own room.
And there were so many family members, and then being able to see them all with their own space.
Big and pretty lovely.
Even times you still can't believe, oh, I'm driving home from work. I'm coming home. For real, it's our house. This is exactly what it's about. Like, this is life. Family is everything. The smiles, the kisses. I know. My niece is going like this to me. This is us. And I love it. I love every part of it.
Now we have our own roots, and we set our own roots, and now this home will be here, if God see fit, for years to come.
And I've seen his dedication. I've seen his drive. I've seen his family support. I've seen it all come together and unfold. And I think it's a blessing. It's a miracle. And I think it's more than anything well-deserved.
Before we even entered the home, we were out there and we were all praying over our house. And as we were praying, I was shaking so much. I couldn't even put the key in the keyhole. Danny had to put it in. And you're like, this is it. This is truly it. This is our forever home. And as he opened it, as soon as you walk in, you just feel this power that you know you did this. You know we all work together. As the kids are coming in, they're all crying. Every single one is crying. My husband, who said he wouldn't cry, cried. It was just such an we just started hugging. We just started hugging and holding each other. This is ours and this is real. That's how it feels.
Bless the
that made this.
and
Bless this day. Amen.